This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to cook in my Instant Pot. I'm going to fix like a goulash. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef, and this is ground beef from Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats, and I'll have the link below for you to look at that and see if it comes to your area. This is an amazing, the meats that you can get there are amazing, and they've got shrimp, they've got everything. Anyway, so I'm fixing goulash, and I have the 2 pounds of ground beef in here along with the tablespoon of just regular olive oil. I've got 1 medium onion that I'm going to put in here with the ground beef. And on my Instant Pot, I've got it on saute, but I've got it on less so that it won't cook so fast, because I've been getting stuff together and all that. So I've been doing that. Alright, now I've got a lot of spices that I'm going to put in here. The first thing I'm going to put in is 1 teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Alright, there goes that. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Even though I'm cooking the onions, I think the onion powder just gives it a little bit more taste, and that's a heaping teaspoon of that. Alright. 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and drop the top. Alright. 1 teaspoon of basil leaves, and I can't get that. Alright. I'm getting ready to start planting my herbs and all outside now for this year. I hope I have basil out there good growing this year. Alright, this is a teaspoon of oregano. Alright, and I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of, heaping teaspoons of parsley flakes. And then 2 teaspoons of salt, kosher salt, because using pasta, this is the only time really that you get the salt, the pasta, is when you're cooking it. So I'm putting 2 teaspoons of kosher salt in here. Alright. And let me stir this up. Alright, and the next thing I'm going to put in is I've got 1 16-ounce box of Penner Rigate. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, it's P-E-N-N-E-R-I-G-A-T-E. Penner Rigate. Alright, and I'm putting in 1 box of that. And then I have 1 can, 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of tomato sauce. And this is just great value tomato sauce. And then I have 1 can of crushed tomatoes with roasted garlic and olive oil, and I'm going to put that in here. Alright, and I've got 2 cups of water, and I'm going to put some in each of the tomato sauce and the crushed tomatoes, and try and get all of that tomato goodness out of there. Alright. So 2 cups of water in this. I love my Instant Pot. I've got so many things that I'm going to be showing y'all. I just got it the other day, and I have been binge reading and binge watching videos on this. Alright, so I'm going to put the top on. Make sure that it's closed back there, which it is. It's on sealing. Alright, and let me get y'all down and see if I can show you. Alright, let me turn this around. Alright, and I have it on saute now. And this is the 8-quart Instant Pot. This is the IP Lux. So, I've got it on saute. I'm going to stop that. And then I'm going to go manual 15 minutes. So, that's exactly what I'm going to cook this on, is 15 minutes. The ground beef this should be perfect in 15 minutes. Now you do know that on these pressure cookers that it does have to come up to pressure before it starts counting down that 15 minutes. And I'm going to check this and see how long it takes to get it up to pressure, and then it'll start counting down to 15 minutes. So I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so this has come down from, it's already cooked now, and I'm going to do a quick release, and that means that on the top of the pressure cooker, let me see if I can get it up here, you'll see the steam coming out. Alright, and it's going to take about 5 minutes for this to come down, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to eat. Okay, I'm back. It's been 6 minutes, so all together, this took, for it to come up to pressure and cook, it took 40 minutes. And that is really, really good. Alright, we're going to take the top off, so you always turn it away from you so that the steam comes out. Alright, now, let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, this is going to be so good. So good. I think I probably could have done it in 10 minutes, but I wanted to make sure, because this is, the Penner Rigate is a thicker noodle. So, alright, I wanted to show you. I'll bring you right back when we get our plates fixed. Okay, I'm back. Alright, it's my daughter Kayla's 24th birthday today, and they took my grandson. We have what's called the Dogwood Festival here, and the fair started tonight, and tonight's the only night that it's one price. You pay one price and ride all the rides. So it's 5 after 10 right now, and we're eating, and since it's so late, we've just got it on paper plates or whatever, and then my other daughter's going to come over, and she just lives a block away, so she's going to come over as soon as we finish eating, and we're going to do cake. But anyway, I want to taste this, and oh really my gosh, good. That's Kayla. She's eating some. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love my Instant Pot. Oh my gosh, I am going to be cooking y'all so many things in this. Oh my gosh, it's good. Alright, I'm going to show you Kayla.
Hi.
It's her birthday.
Really it's really good.
Alright, so I'm going to get off of here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And Don't forget to look below for different links for Instant Pot and different accessories for that. And Zaycon, my Facebook, the link to my Facebook channel, my Twitter will be below. So you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.